Data first, let's go. January inflation cooled more than expected, according to Fox Business, and markets. They went full rally mode, stocks popped, yields dipped, rate cut hopes came back on the table. Here's the quick hit. Prices cooled faster than Wall Street thought. That surprise eased recession fears, and the major indexes ripped higher on the day. Now, what does cooled actually mean? The trend says everyday stuff got a little less hot, month over month. Not deflation, just slower price growth. Think groceries not jumping as fast, services finally easing a touch, energy not spiking. Markets love that. Why? Because cooler inflation gives the Federal Reserve room to stop squeezing so hard. When the Fed doesn't have to hike, or can even think about cutting later, stocks breathe. Translation in plain New York English. The pressure cooker loosened. Let me paint it like I'm hustling down 7th Avenue. You're juggling rent, coffee, metro, streaming bills. Last year, prices felt like they were sprinting. This month, they're still moving, but more like a brisk walk. That difference? It's cash back in your pocket over time. Back to the tape. Tech led early. Cyclicals followed. Anything sensitive to rates caught a bid. Financials liked the softer inflation because it points to a healthier consumer. Real estate names smiled on lower yields. Bonds? Yields edged down as traders priced in a higher chance the Fed eases later this year. Not today, not tomorrow. But the odds improved. But look, I'm from New York. I don't sugarcoat. One cooler print isn't victory. Services inflation can be sticky, wages matter, and one surprise doesn't make a trend. The next couple reports? They're the real test. So what do I do with this? I don't chase every green candle. I check my time horizon. I keep diversification boring and consistent. I watch the data, not the drama. Key dates ahead, the next inflation read, the jobs report, and the Fed meeting. If inflation keeps easing and growth holds, that's the soft landing script. If inflation reaccelerates, markets will rethink fast. Bottom line, January cooled more than expected, stocks rallied, and the door to future rate cuts opened a crack. Good news, not a victory parade. If you felt that tiny sigh of relief at the checkout line, you're not imagining it. Keep your plan steady, keep your eyes on the next data drop, and don't let one headline drive your whole strategy. I'm walking here, through the noise, so you don't have to.